Hooponopono Inner Child Healing Prayer. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine meeting your younger self in a safe and loving place. See their face and speak these words. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Try to visualize the face of your younger self in front of your eyes. Now let's begin. You are surrounded with the positive and healing vibrations and healing energy. I am sorry. My dear inner child, I am sorry for all the pain you went through. I am sorry for the times you felt alone, scared, or unloved. I am sorry I wasn't there to protect you when you needed me most. I am sorry for ignoring your feelings and pretending everything was fine when it wasn't. I see your tears, I feel your fear, and I honor your truth. I am sorry for all ways you felt invisible, unheard, or misunderstood. You never deserve that pain, and I am here now to truly listen. Please forgive me for abandoning you emotionally all these years. Please forgive me for the letting world's noise drown out your soft voice. Please forgive me for judging you, silencing you, or expecting you to be stronger than you were ready to be. Please forgive me for carrying forward the pain instead of helping you heal sooner. Forgive me for the times I acted from fear instead of love. I ask for your forgiveness, not because I deserve it, but because you deserve freedom from the burden we have both carried. Thank you. Thank you for surviving. Thank you for holding on when things were hard. Thank you for keeping my heart open enough to still love despite the hurt. Thank you for your curiosity and your innocence. Thank you for teaching me compassion, empathy, and resilience. Thank you for being patient with me as I finally come back to you now. Thank you for still being here, waiting, ready to trust me again. I love you. I love you exactly as you are. I love your laughter, your tears, your hopes, and even your fears. I love the child you were, the child you are inside me now, and the adult we are becoming together. I love you unconditionally, without judgment, without expectation. I promise to protect you, to listen to you, to nurture you, and to never leave you again. We are safe with me. You are safe with me. You are loved. You are worthy. You are enough always.